We're in a professional law office, and Virginia, the court reporter, is about to record the testimony at a deposition.
Have you ever had your deposition taken before?
No.
All right. I'm going to go through a few...
Sometimes the law can be a frightening thing, especially when the two attorneys and the accident victim are actors.
This is being taken down.
And our real court reporter is about to be implicated in an auto accident case she knows nothing about.
What was the name of the street that you were on at the time of the accident?
Doheny.
As our victim pinpoints where the accident took place, watch Virginia's face. What she's about to hear will begin to sound very familiar.
I was approaching the Santa Monica Boulevard.
And what city is this in?
It's kind of on the border. I think it's West Hollywood, Beverly Hills.
That's the exact neighborhood where Virginia lives. Next, our victim describes the car that ran her off the road.
Yes, yes.
And what is your description of that?
I would say it's a grayish, kind of metallic, shiny Toyota, one of the sedans. I believe it was the Cressida model.
That sounds exactly like the car Virginia drives. And now our victim describes the driver of the car.
Give me a description of that person.
It was a lady, and her hair was blonde, and I would say it's probably a little shoulder length or a little bit above shoulder length.
Sounds like she just described our friend Virginia.
Can I just break for a minute?
Sure. Would you like a private conference?
No, I just want to, if I could just take a moment.
All right.
My turn.
Let's go off the record.
What our actress is discussing with her fake attorney is that she thinks Virginia is the person who caused the accident.
Excuse me, miss. Do any of these events seem familiar to you?
Who are you directing that to?
To the court reporter.
No.
What is this?
Well, bear with me just a second here, Lenny. My client is telling me that she sees a certain similarity between the court reporter and the driver of the car who ran her off the road.
You're not going to...
What part of town do you live in?
Actually, I do live in West Hollywood.
And may I ask what kind of vehicle you drive?
And I do drive a Cressida.
Uh-oh. Lives in West Hollywood, drives a Cressida. This doesn't look good.
Did you establish your whereabouts on the 12th of January of 1989?
God, no. I wouldn't even know. I know one thing. My mom was in at that time. I have no idea.
Well,
but I want to tell you, this is...
You're suggesting that possibly your mother ran my client?
Oh, God, no. I'm just trying to... No, I can't believe this.
While she tries to convince them of her and her mother's innocence, we had other court reporters to put on the stand.
It was in the El Segundo area. It was a gold-tone Honda Civic.
I live in El Segundo and I drive a gold-tone Honda Civic.
You're kidding.
No.
Whoops. He's really opened up a can of worms. Now, not only does he have to defend himself, he has to take down his own testimony.
I don't remember a thing about the incident. Let me write this down. It doesn't stand out in my mind.
This next court reporter was adamant in her belief that she was innocent.
No. If I would have caused an accident, I would have stopped.
But we had her number.
What sort of driving record do you have? May I ask you?
The record should reflect that there's a piece of paper that I'll ask to be marked Exhibit 2, which bears the license number 1KG-62.
I missed the number. It is my number, it looks like.
In the face of this overwhelming evidence, we had no choice but to advise her of her rights.
You have the right to be advised that at the present time, you're on television. In fact, you're on totally hidden video. And there's a camera behind that mirror right there.
Are you kidding me?
And right there.
Are you kidding me?
No.
Are you kidding me?
No, we're not.
God, are you kidding me? Are you sure? Can I go home now?
I'm thinking, oh, my God, where was my mother?